They say that precision is nature's gift to technology. That is our DNA. The finest materials provide the basis for our wrought products. Milled, sharpened, and inspected. With passionate dedication and absolute perfection. Advanced craftsmanship, innovative technology, and sustainable solutions make us the partner for precision tools. The execution is a secret, and we leave nothing to chance. And whenever a tool is needed again, we manufacture it using the same processes and the same machine, which is especially made and calibrated for that purpose. We set standards in manufacturing in a region where precision is at home. For the best quality and the very highest standards. Precision, nature's gift to technology, and the heartbeat of our company. Nachreiner, tools you've been able to trust for 40 years.